Pearl Modiadie Biography, Age, Boyfriend, Wedding, Education and Career. Pearl Modiadie Biography. Pearl Modiadie was born on 29 December 1987 in Tembisa, South Africa. She is a presenter, radio DJ, actress and producer best known for presenting the SABC1 music talk show. Pearl Modiadie education background. Middle. 2007 to 2009. Student at Rosebank College. Diploma in Media Studies and Journalism. Middle. Student at Northam Park High School. Pearl Modiadie job history. Middle. March 2013 present, TV producer at XR Media. Middle. 2006 present, voiceover artist and TV host and content producer for a music talk show on SABC1, Wednesdays at 19:00. Middle. January 2013 July 2013, magazine columnist for Carpe Diem Media. Middle. August 2009 March 2013, radio DJ at YFM. She hosted the Jumpstart on YFM, Saturdays and Sundays at 6/9. She also hosted the Weekend Wrap-Up Sundays at 21:00. Middle. February 2009 February 2013, content producer for Sisterhood on E.TV at Red Pepper Pictures. Middle. March 2006 April 2012, TV presenter for Sisterhood and Crazy World Live at Red Pepper Pictures Limited. Career as an actress. Middle. In 2013, she made her debut on the E.TV soapy Scandal as Kathalope, a feisty young girl with a track record of drug abuse and ulterior motives. Middle. In 2015 she was one of the 10 celebrity contestants on the 8th season of the reality competition series Strictly Come Dancing. She was partnered with professional dancer Grant Ister, who was in. Pearl Modiadie spread her wings during the 2014 FIFA World Cup as co-host of Kezi to Fabulous, a live soccer lifestyle show that occupied the 8 p.m. slot on SA's leading channel SABC1. The year 2014 also saw this media all-rounder teaming up with the Company for Women and world's leading direct marketing company, Avon, as the spokesperson, brand ambassador of the Aspire fragrance, joining celebrities like Black Eyed Peas lead singer Fergie and actress Megan Fox and leading tennis player Maria Sharapova, who endorsed fragrances by Avon. Her fashion flair was recognized by retailer Woolworths South Africa when she was asked to be part of their 2014 online and in-store winter and summer fashion campaigns, which encouraged fashion conversation on social media. The summer campaign saw Pearl styling a few of the campaign's looks for the Styled by Pearl edition. Fashion is something that Pearl Modiadie is passionate about, and it is definitely a field that she is looking to pursue in future. Pearl Modiadie age. She was born on 29th of December 1987. Pearl Modiadie boyfriend, Pearl Modiadie fiancé, Pearl Modiadie engaged. She got engaged to her fiancé in bling fashion when Modiadie went down on his knee midair during a helicopter ride when on a holiday in Zambia. They later broke up and Modiadie gave back her engagement ring. Modiadie was allegedly complaining that Modiadie did not have time for him and was depriving him of the privileges of their relationship. In February they mended their differences and Pearl confirmed that they were together and they are happy. Pearl Modiadie wedding. This information about her wedding will be updated soon.